For thousands of years, earlier societies built their entire economies on a single, heavy foundation: physical gold. Gold holds intrinsic value. It is inherently precious and incorruptible, completely unaffected by the decrees of whichever government happens to be in power. But raw precious metals have a massive utility problem. You wouldn't drag heavy gold bricks on your next trip to the grocery store, would you? This creates a severe friction point in global trade. We have an asset with perfect historical value, but zero practical utility for daily modern transactions. To solve that daily utility problem, governments eventually stripped precious metals out of our currencies, abandoning the gold standard entirely. They replaced it with fiat currency, paper bills and metal coins, incredibly easy to carry in your pocket, but completely disconnected from physical assets. This compromise relies solely on the good faith and blind trust of crediting institutions. The cash itself lacks any real intrinsic worth. This chart shows the direct result of that system. While the baseline of real intrinsic value remains stable, the modern fiat system has generated an ever-increasing aggressive spike in global debt. Without an asset standard to tether these values, the resulting debt loop continues to dissolve the actual wealth of individuals and nations. We find ourselves trapped. The modern economy desperately needs the absolute value of gold to survive, yet we physically cannot function using heavy metal bricks. We have entered the digital age. With blockchain technology, we no longer need to mint money on hard materials. This exact breakthrough is the core mechanism of GODcoin, or gold on demand. The developers built a specific incorruptible blockchain to log valuable physical assets directly into a digital ledger system. They begin by taking actual physical gold reserves stored in secure industrial vaults and monetizing them. Those real-world assets are translated onto the blockchain, resulting in instantly tradable cryptocurrency tokens that represent the stored physical wealth. It removes the physical friction entirely. Users can now hold the immutable value of a physical vault while transacting globally at the speed of the internet. The math behind it is highly specific. The system takes the total weighted amount of gold in reserve and distributes that figure perfectly evenly across all minted digital tokens. By dividing it this way, every single token is guaranteed to be backed by a set, unchangeable weight of real gold. The currency is hard-pegged to the asset. As the global market value of gold changes, the exact value of each digital token scales directly in sync with it. This direct synchronization creates a deeply stable wealth vehicle designed to protect purchasing power for many generations to come. GODcoin bridges the gap. It is the strict mathematical synthesis of intrinsic physical value and frictionless digital utility. The ultimate objective is to establish a new world currency transcending how society currently views money. Achieving real financial freedom requires society to step entirely outside the failing, debt-reliant fiat systems that govern international trade. Standard digital banking relies exclusively on your blind faith in the institution holding your money. An asset-backed blockchain relies strictly on mathematical proof and verifiable physical reserves. The goal is to bypass fragile institutions, replacing our financial operating system from the ground up. The men and women behind GODcoin are building an incorruptible monetary system upon a foundation of faith, service, and good works. They aim to use this renewed financial structure to unite society and build the tangible foundation for a messianic age. This drive for purity connects directly back to the physical metal itself, echoing the mandate in Revelation 3:18. I counsel you to buy from me gold refined in the fire, so you can become rich. This is a bold, uncompromising approach to claiming financial sovereignty. GODcoin offers a digital gold standard as the stable foundation for what the creators describe as a coming age of abundance.